different already this road there. You got flyover. Need to make a U-turn there. Seleko, huh? Very sharp. Very sharp this Seleko. Yes. Now we are going to Lunduk first, take our lunch.
Hello guys, we are at, what's the name of this place, you know?
Food corner only.
Something like Parkway.
Parkway lah.
Next to Parkway, food corner. This one is at Lunduk. Pasar Lunduk tu. Okay, we try from this stall here guys. Secret recipe Pak Siru. Okay, stay tuned. Okay. Ginger pork.
I'm back and share.
With rice. Okay.
This one is pork ginger rice. Oh, chicken. Oh, this one is ayam masak ayam. Oh, my one
Ayam
is
ginger.
egg. Oh, okay. Sanggema one.
Wrong one. Nah. Yalah, dengan chicken meat.
Chicken, my son and mommy one is pork.
Okay.
Here, they want to see only, but we don't eat here. Oh, we just stop and see only, and then we go out the place again.
Maybe last time not much stall last time. Now already got a lot of stall.
Yeah. It's funny. It's
A lot of food. Mix, huh? Got mix. A lot of mix. Monkey house there. A lot of monkey there. Monkey house.
Ada satu lagi. I'm going to share. This one is pork, guys.
Pork.
Now,
Ginger pork.
this one is ginger pork with egg, with rice.
Ginger pork with rice. Got egg.
Grade what this one? Grade E.
Jual. Okay, eat also, Ben.
Fine.
Baik. Nasi goreng babi. 28. Nasi goreng. Look at the egg.
Kacang.
Kacang. But no sambal loh. Okay. Lanjut makan guys.
By the dough.
Makan.
Dulu makan mas. Nih, aku apa lagi?
Nasi goreng dia.
Goreng. Bepok. Terus, hebet, biji, kacang, timun, egg. Tendingnya
Babi goreng.
babi goreng. They prepare it fresh, they masak it.
Kalau mie goreng babi.
Apa mie?
Kalau mie goreng babi. Kalau mie goreng. Ya. Kalau mie babi goreng. Okay.
He buys one, he don't eat a lot of meat. But he don't eat a lot one time. But he always want to eat meat. That is his style. So you feed him very little, later he ask for food again. He don't eat much one go. His style. He know his style. So if you want to order one more, sayang loh.
Lau kan?
Hah?
Lau nak sini.
Later he will ask for food again. No, we know already, right? Maybe go make it or what? Boleh. Later lah. No, fish one only. Yes. Yeah. Want to buy your pillow meal? Dạ đó. Cái phút có lời phạt hơn.